In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ghost in Untitled Boxing Game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can obtain the Ghost fighting style, and I'm also gonna give you a basic overview of how it works. So, the Ghost style is one of the legendary fight styles available. So as you can see, you just have to select fight styles at the left side of the screen, and in here you will be able to acquire the Ghost style. Sadly, there is no way to guarantee it. You just have to play the gacha, and one random style will be granted to you. So as you can see here at the top, it's choosing a random one, and it's going to be added into my character over here to the left. Once you get a new style, you can go ahead and equip it as necessary. So once you have the style that you want to use equipped, you can just back out and start using it. Now sadly for this video, I'm not going to be able to demonstrate the actual style on my character, but I'm still going to give you an overview of how it works and what you can expect after you equip the Ghost fighting style. So the Ghost style, like I mentioned, is one of the legendary styles available, and the main gimmick is that it hides the user's M1 and M2 highlight, which is the main strength of this style. The lack of the highlight allows you to easily catch the opponents as well as counter them, so they won't be able to predict when your punches are coming out, like this, because the highlight will be gone. Now, Ghost is also capable of firing an instant jab ability that needs to hit something in order to recharge. Aside from that, Ghost has all around decent stats. So, it is a very simple and easy to learn style. It has a lot of versatility, making it very good in any playstyle that you like. So, all that you have to do, like I said, is acquire it from the gacha row here, and you will be able to use the Ghost M1 and M2 lack of highlights to throw out the jabs, hooks, and body blows, and it is extremely fun to play as the Ghost. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ghost in Untitled Boxing Game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.